Hey there, what's up? In this video, I will give you a very quick guide on how you can allow notifications on Proton Mail. So the first thing that you will have to do is, of course, ensure that you're using the Proton Mail right website or the official website. And once you're here, you will just have to either enable your desktop notifications, or if you want deeper than that, then you will just have to go to the settings and go to all settings and just wait for your Proton to load. And once you're here, you will just have to go to your left panel here, and then you will scroll down a little until you see messages and composition. So what you will have to do, as you can see, you have if you want daily email notifications, then you will just have to simply enable it. However, you should have your email address all set up first before doing this. So, and yeah, that's basically just it, and that's how you can allow your notifications in Proton Mail, and you will never miss an important email again. And yeah, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.